So now I cleared everything out of the room. And now it's time to pull the rug up. I don't have any more space to move this, so you can actually leave something in the room if you don't have the space for it, and just maneuver it out of the way when you are working in that area. So one of the benefits of living where I live is that our trash guys will actually pick up residential carpeting and padding. You just gotta roll it up, but it can only be in 4-foot lengths. So I've already marked my wall with a little bit of highlighter just so I can know where to cut. And I can roll all this up, bound it with some tape, and then put it out on trash day without any extra driving. That's like the best part of this project. So you wanna get yourself a box cutter and just pretty much cut the carpet going all the way down, and then you can just roll it on up. So where's my mark? My mark is here. So I have the lines from the carpet I'm going to be cutting out and rolling. So now you want to get you some needle nose pliers so you can pull the carpet away. I have tack strips. I already know this, so I already know what to expect underneath. Sometimes you may have glue, but you just grab some of the carpet and just pull it on up. Just like that. You can just keep on going. I see that my cuts were horrible because it's connecting, but I'm gonna get a better knife to cut them with. Oh, well, it's cut a little bit. There we go. So I did a little bit better. A little bit of good cutting. This ain't cut deep enough. All right, I actually cut some of the padding, but that's okay. All right, so now I'm gonna get the rolling all this up. So now that all the carpet is rolled up, I just have to bound these with some packing tape because I don't have any duct tape, but tape is tape. And then I'm gonna go around and I'm going to remove this padding. Now, this padding, I have realized, is held down by staples. So as I pull the padding up, I will be removing the staples as I go because that just makes more sense versus coming back and trying to do it all at one time. And then I will be removing these tack strips using a crowbar. And then I can go right ahead and start to clean everything up, just prep for my underlayment. Okay, so for people like me who have padding, it's time to get rid of the padding. My goal and my aim is to do the same thing I did with the actual carpeting, which I already cut down to the padding a little bit anyway. I'm just going to cut down, roll it up, and as I roll, remove the staples, and I will show how I'm doing that when I'm rolling it and removing the staples. But again, just need another box cutter like this. And because it's already super soft, you pretty much don't even have to do a whole lot. It just pretty much cuts just like the carpet did. And you want to go all the way down. I'm going to do 3 big sections and take this to our incinerator where they pay 20 bucks for stuff like this. And then roll it up, remove the staples, and move on to the next step. Okay, so as I'm going around cutting, I realized it's like this weird sand stuff. I don't know what this is, but now it's like an extra chore. I have to use my shop vac to vacuum this whole area because there's a bunch of sand down here. I don't even know why they have sand underneath the carpet. Maybe it's to help with traction. I have no idea, but it's not in every area. It's only in certain areas, so that's super weird. So just make sure you have a dustpan or a broom or a vacuum cleaner to do this step as well, because I don't know what this is here for. Okay, so when you're going to get down here, I have on some knee pads. I got these from Dollar Tree as well. And what you're going to do is you're going to already see some of the staples in here because it's holding it down. You're just going to pull it on up. Very simple and easy. And then I'm going to get my staple remover and just go into popping it up. And this way I am able to remove them a lot easier with my staple remover. And any ones that I can't get or are still poking out, I will use my needle nose pliers to pop them up. And then I would do this going all the way down as I am moving. And because it was already carpet here before, as you can see, this is yellow underneath, but we have some green ones. When they did pull this carpet up and the other under carpet underlayment, they just put down more staples and stuff and didn't really remove the old ones. So you may have other staples down here you need to remove as you go around, but luckily it seems like this section is not a lot of staples as it was on this side, which is good. Then you just continue to roll all the way to the end. Okay, so now I have all the carpet gone, all the underlayment gone, all of the staples. This happened all in about 35 to 40 minutes. So doing it as I rolled everything up was basically a saver of time. Gotta vacuum some more. Then I'm gonna go right ahead and take up these tack strips along the base of each of the walls. Okay, so removing tack strips from a carpet is not hard at all. All you will need is a rubber mallet and I think this is called a crowbar. I got these both things from Dollar Tree. So what I like to do is come over to the corner and then work it up like this. And then keep going at this angle to pop up all the other nails. Don't go in straight. You're not going to help yourself that way. You go sideways. And then, you know, see, you just pop in right on it. And then when you get done, you just take the other side like this, and this will just pull it out of the floor. Look at that. Super simple and easy, right? This side at an angle, and this side to get it all the way off the floor. Now, when doing the tack strips, you will find that there are some place underneath your heater vent, and you will have to actually remove that from the wall because it is so far back, you're not able to move it. So they're only held in by 2 nails. And what I did was I put my crowbar at the top and wiggled it forward until they both came out. And then you just put the nails back into the holes so that they are back in place once you remove the tack strips. All right, so now it's time to lay the underlayment down. I'm going to keep the heaters off because this will help me be able to navigate around the actual heating vents without this being in the way. I went a little cheap. I was on a budget, so I'm going to have to put down this quality at a fair price. It's really simple. It's like foam, then you have the little piece here, and on the opposite side it has the actual strip that you can peel off and to attach to it. So I'm going to be putting this down over everything, and then we get to this laminate. All right, so we're going to take the laminate. There's 2 sides to this. Dark blue side and the light side. I like to put the light side down, which makes it hard to just roll out, but that's just what I like to do. So I'm gonna pull this up, pull that over like that. Boom. So once you have it butted up against the wall, I like to actually have it a little bit underneath of the drywall and stuff, you can just cut off the blue piece there, and here's the strip that has the glue underneath. I'll list this at the bottom from Amazon, where I got it from. Really good deal. You get 4 of these, 800 square feet for like 100 and something. So then you get to the bottom of here. I'm using my utility knife, and then you just cut it. And there you have it. Now we're going to start the next row. Just pull that down. And you just want to basically overlap it over the white part, like that. But you want to, again, get it lined up how you need it. Come on down. Alrighty, so everything so once you get it like that, let's get everything overlapping. So the laminate I'm going to be using is the Ash Calm Age Oak Laminate Flooring by Traffic Master. I've already put this down in my kitchen and in my media room, and I like the way it looks, and it's so easy to actually use. So I do not like to use those little spacers because I just think it's a waste of money and they're stupid. But I like to use pieces of the flooring itself to use for the spacers. So I would just take one, I will put it right here, and get me some tape it against the wall, and then I will get another one, put it here, tape it against the wall, and then, you know, just keep going around, and then I will put one on each side as well and tape it against the wall. So then once I get like 4 or 5 layers coming down, then I can remove them and nothing will move because the weight of all of the laminate planks will stop it from moving around when you are tapping it to lock it in place.